Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with Me, and thank you so much for everybody who commented on my video yesterday and sent prayers up for me, all of that. I feel a lot better today. It is raining a little bit here, and every time it rains, my sinuses clear up, my allergies clear up, so thank goodness for the rain. I hope it rains more. Now, what I have here in front of you is a couple of packs of some various items. Now we've had each month when we put the kits together, the E-Club kits, we have various things left over. So we just kind of put those in a big box. So today, Brandon and I worked on getting all of those items out of the box and putting together mystery kits. So that's what we have done today. I think he said we had 31 mystery kits. They will have a little bit of everything in them. There's no two that are alike. They're all completely different. Some of them may have the same paper pack in them, but some of the other items in there will be different. And I'm not going to pull every item out and show you. I'm just going to tell you this is a mystery kit. So what you get is what you get. But you can see they are going to come in these waterproof packs as well. Everything that we can get in here. There may be some large things that we might not can get inside here, but we'll put everything in here that we can. So I'll give you a little sneak peek here. So let's see if you can see that. See down there, see there, and see there, and see there, and look at all those. And I'll open it up and give you, I know it's a glare on it, but I'll kind of give you a little look, see down in there. Little look-see. Okay, so these will be in the store. I'm planning on loading them up tonight. I've got everything ready to load them up, so planning on getting these loaded up tonight. This one is not in one of the zipper pouches, but it's just one I put together real quick, so you can see kind of what is in this one. And turn it over that way so you can see. But it will go in a zipper pouch too. So beautiful. That is one of my favorite paper collections right there inside there. It took a lot for me to let that go, believe me. But that will just show you a few things that are in there. So like I said, I think we have 31 of those available. And I know there's a glare right there, and I'm sorry. I took my mat up because I was washing my table today, and I forgot to put it back down right before I started the video. So hopefully that won't distract you too bad. All right, let me grab the other thing that I'm going to talk to you about. Now, like I said, I think there's 31 of these. It'll be first come, first serve. When they're gone, they're gone. That's all that we have. So let me grab the other item that I was going to show you. Okay, we got in more of these paper pads. These are the ones that I have on sale. They show pre-order in the store, but they're all in now, so they're not pre-order anymore. So if you want some of these, grab them. We got them at a good price, so I'm selling them to you at a good price. Basically, all I'm charging you above what the paper pad costs me is just what the shipping costs to get it to me. So we have Merry and Bright. This is Echo Park, and this is a complete collection. It has 12 double-sided papers, and including the cover sheet, and then a 12 by 12 element sticker sheet, which is right there. So that's Merry and Bright. I don't know how many of each of these we've got left. I'll be counting them and making sure of our inventory is correct when I finish this video. Here comes Santa Claus. It's got the same thing in it. It's Echo Park. It's got the sticker sheet, and then it's got lots of journaling cards in there. And then we have Celebrate Autumn. You know, a lot of times we get hung up on getting things ready for Christmas, and we forget about autumn and Thanksgiving. So tomorrow I will be doing some Thanksgiving. I'll be starting on some Thanksgiving items. I'm still finishing up all of the Christmas journals that I'm making, but tomorrow we'll be starting on some Thanksgiving things, because I've had quite a few people that have asked me, are you planning on doing anything for Thanksgiving this year? Because I normally do. So there is that. And then the other one is Let It Snow. We have that one. That's really pretty. I love the sweater and the mittens and all of that. Very, very pretty. And then the last one is Fall is in the Air. So we have these, like I said, they're up in the shop right now, and they were pre-order. They're not pre-order any longer. They are now in the store. Now I have gone ahead and pulled out all of you who placed an order early and all of you who needed a replacement paper pad, and you know who you are and all about that, so I won't go into that, but I have got all of those pulled, and all of those will be going out tomorrow. So these are the extra ones that we have left, the ones that you will see in the shop. So if you want one of these, or two of these, or three of these, or 10 of these, make sure that you go over and grab them, because when these are gone, that's going to be all that we have, because I bought the supplier out of the last ones of these that they had on sale. Alright guys, that is it for this tutorial. I will try to come back and do a real quick tutorial. I'm going to make some glycine bags, and we're going to do a little bit of collaging on the front of them. So I want to come back and do that, but I'll see if I'm going to have time. It's already like 4:38 here. Outside it looks like 12 o'clock midnight, but needless to say, I will try to get that done if I can. Alright, don't forget about the paper pads and the put together mystery kits that we have. Everything in here, we've kind of calculated up. I'm thinking that it's around $30 worth of product. So in each one, we've kind of divided it and tried to make it as equal as we possibly can. So it's around $30 worth of product, and that's not counting your nice zipper bag here. This is waterproof, tear-proof zipper bag. So you will be getting one of those with your mystery kit as well. All right, I will talk to you later, and thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.